Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero Metallica without a microphone. First, plug your guitar controller's wireless dongle into an available USB port on your PlayStation 3 console. Next, power on your guitar controller and press its PlayStation button to sync it. Make sure your guitar is recognized as the first player to avoid the game defaulting to vocal mode. Once your guitar is connected, you can choose your preferred instrument: lead guitar, bass guitar, or drums. Guitar Hero Metallica offers both a comprehensive career mode to unlock new songs and venues, or quick play for immediate access to tracks. The game is designed to fully support instrument play without needing any vocal input. Gameplay involves matching the colored notes that scroll down your screen with the corresponding fret buttons on your guitar. You must strum the strum bar precisely in time with these notes to hit them and build your score. Accumulate star power by hitting glowing note streaks, then activate it by tilting your guitar or pressing the select button for a score multiplier. To truly master the game, begin on an easier difficulty setting, such as beginner or easy, to familiarize yourself with the note patterns. The game also includes a training mode where you can practice specific song sections to refine your technique. Enjoy the extensive tracklist, which includes 28 Metallica master recordings and 21 additional songs from other artists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.